Since 1978, Jon-Don has provided professional carpet cleaners, janitorial firms, and restoration contractors with the real-world knowledge, rolled-up sleeves, and rock-solid reliability they need to tackle their toughest jobs. Whether you're a new business owner or have an established multi-truck operation, Jon-Don's truck mount specialists have the experience and training needed to help guide you through the decision-making process. We start by helping you match the right-sized machine for your growing business. Our specialists take the time to get to know your business and the services you offer, then make recommendations on available models that will meet your current and future needs. Once we have identified your ideal truck mount, we'll discuss how to organize your vehicle. The right storage solutions, accessories, and tools will help maximize your productivity. If you are in need of a vehicle, Jon-Don has you covered there too. We have relationships with national fleet dealers for all major truck manufacturers. From turnkey van packages to tricked-out cube trucks, Jon-Don will help you source your next truck at competitive pricing. We understand that financing can be intimidating, but not at Jon-Don. We work with major lenders to provide our customers with flexible finance programs on vans and equipment at the lowest possible rates. Once we have worked together to build a system that matches your company's needs, we turn the project over to the Jon-Don service team for installation of your new unit. Our knowledgeable, trained technicians will install your unit to the manufacturer's specifications, assuring that it meets or exceeds safety and regulatory requirements. Before you take final delivery of your new truck mount system, your truck mount specialist will take the time to train you on operation, setup, and daily maintenance of your new system. We want you to feel completely confident with your new machine when you leave our parking lot and head to your first job. To further maximize your success and earning potential, your truck mount purchase includes a free seat at Strategies for Success Business Transformation, a 5-day class that will give you the concepts and tools to grow your business to your desired level of success. Finally, we are so confident that you will be thrilled with your truck mount purchase from Jon-Don that we back it up with a 30-day buyback guarantee. We look forward to working with you. For more information, contact Jon-Don at 1-800-556-6366. Let's tackle your toughest jobs.